Einstein once said, "Intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death." But how do we ensure that we continue to grow intellectually every day? Well, the good news is that there are simple and everyday habits that we can incorporate into our lives to become smarter. I'll share with you 3 everyday habits that will make you smarter. Number 1, read every day. Reading is one of the most effective ways to increase our knowledge and intelligence. Make a habit of reading every day, even if it's just for 15 to 20 minutes. Whether it's a novel, news article, or a research paper, reading stimulates our brain and expands our vocabulary. Plus, it's a great way to unwind and relax after a long day. Challenge your brain. The brain needs exercise, just like our body does. Make it a point to challenge your brain regularly. You can do this by learning a new skill, trying a new hobby, or solving puzzles and brain teasers. These activities stimulate our brain and promote the growth of new neural connections, which ultimately leads to increased intelligence. Number 3, get enough sleep. For our brain to function at its best. When we sleep, our brain consolidates new memories and learning, which enhances our cognitive abilities. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, impairs our cognitive functions, such as attention, memory, and decision-making. So, make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to ensure that your brain is well rested and ready to tackle new challenges. Incorporating these 3 habits into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your intellectual growth and make you smarter. So, make it a point to read every day, challenge your brain, and get enough sleep. If you found this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Better You, for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement.